Welcome to Life Science, 7th graders. This week we're going to be on Chapter 9, Lesson 3, Energy and Matter. The objective for this lesson is to understand the fundamental concepts, principles, and interconnections of life, physical and earth-space sciences. The I can statement: I can identify and classify biotic and abiotic factors in an environment that affect population density, habitat, and placement of organisms in an energy pyramid. So let's get started with the lesson, organisms and energy. So scientists classify organisms by the way they get the energy that they need to survive. Almost all energy on Earth comes from the sun, right? So some organisms, such as plants, are able to capture this energy directly and convert it into energy-rich sugars that they use for food. A few organisms are able to capture energy from chemicals in the environment and make food. Other organisms cannot capture energy from sunlight or chemicals, so they must obtain their energy by eating food. Organisms that cannot make their own food using the sun must depend on organisms that can. So that introduces us the concepts of producers and consumers. A producer changes the energy available in the environment into food energy, and consumers cannot make their own food and get energy by eating other organisms. Examples of producers are plants. An example of consumers could be the tiger. Now let's move on to what food chains are. So a food chain models how energy flows in an ecosystem through feeding relationships. A food chain is like a connect the dot drawing. So the grass is food for the grasshopper, and the grasshopper is food for the bluebird. The bluebird is food for the snake. The grass is a producer, grasshopper is a primary consumer, the bluebird is a secondary consumer, and the snake is a tertiary consumer. A food web is a model that shows several connected food chains. Now let's move on to modeling energy pyramids. An energy pyramid shows the amount of energy available at each step of a food chain. I have this example of energy pyramid. First, we have the light energy. It's at the bottom, right? So then we have the primary producers that get 100% of the energy available. Then the primary consumers get 10% of the energy available. The secondary consumers get 1%, and the tertiary consumers get 0.1%. So guys, this week we will be working on comparative table, guided practice, and we have games for this week, guys. So I can't wait to see you in class. Please take care, stay healthy, and see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.